Welcome back to another daily weather update on Tim's Weather Station, where I'm tracking that major winter storm. We know the storm at this point. We have enough confidence to say that. What we don't know is where the snow and ice and rain, sleet, or the form, how far south, how far north. But anyway, let's get into the meat and potatoes of it. So the CPC has highlighted yet again for actually Thursday, Friday this week, maybe earlier, a 15% of winter storm conditions. Now on the southern side, where the rain's no longer mist, will be freezing rain. Now that's for the south central U.S. Southeast will be next in line Thursday, Friday. Now this highlighted area is humongous, stretching all the way from the south central all the way to the Appalachian Mountains. So Thursday to Friday is going to be a disaster there. Ice, snow, sleet, rain. Yeah, it'll be a mess. Now depending on the rain, snow, or misses we're going to be possibly talking about more north, more south, more east, more west. This storm still is too early to be finalized. We don't even know yet numbers. We will be able to tell you that pretty soon though, but like any day now. This storm also has the potential to widow up. So this storm is one of those storms where you're like having to wait until the last minute. So Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, you guys are in the line of fire after that. This upcoming weekend actually, Friday for Saturday, we could be looking at excessive winter storm conditions where we could be seeing just plain snow because we are the farthest north. Now the cost of this is it doesn't have a low pressure system. That's the strange part about the storm. It doesn't have a low pressure system. It's just very cold already on the ground that a high pressure system for Canada is bringing more cold air. And that cold and rich Gulf moisture, like I talked about yesterday's video, that is the clash together, and that is a rise up and made a perfect setup for a medieval snowstorm, one that we could be probably talking about for a long time, years, 5 years, I don't know. But yeah, this is it. This is a big snowstorm we've been waiting for all winter. Yeah, so just wanted to update you on that and tell you that we don't know numbers yet, but we do have a very broad idea. Today's blender models It's saying that Virginia and North Carolina should be the bullseye with a 4 or 2 feet of snow with, but the models still tend to shift that north to south depending on where the snow is. And the ice, as of now, looks dangerous with 1, 2, or maybe even 3 inches of ice. Yeah, so be ready. Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, Appalachian Mountains, Southeast, all along the South-Central U.S., you to be facing a wide variety of winter weather. It's a little mixed bad at this point. In the next few videos, I would be able to tell you more, but I will try to tell you more now, but nobody knows still. If in a day, models should be able to tell us at least the snow is going to be more north, but they cannot even tell us that anymore. So it will be like 3 days before anybody to tell us, then I will be the first one to tell you. So yeah, like, subscribe, and follow for more. Comment if you're a snow hater, snow lover, and if you live in any of the states I just listed, Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, Southeast, South Central, any of you should be on high alert for any sort of misbad or winter weather. This is Tim's Weather Station, signing off until next time. Peace.